Here is how to lock your Facebook profile. So first, go ahead and launch your Facebook application on your device, log into your specific account. And then after, click on your profile picture icon from the bottom or the top right corner of your screen according to your device. Then click on your name to go to your profile section. Now from here, you need to click on the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll get the option of lock profile, which is between view as and activity log. But in my case, as I have already locked my profile, it's showing the option to unlock my profile. You can go ahead and select the option of lock profile. Then after, click on lock again to confirm. And remember that only your friends will be able to see all of your past or the present post and all of your activity on Facebook. If someone wants to connect with you or see your activity, they'll need to add you on Facebook and you must be friends. So go ahead and click on lock and you'll be done. And likewise, you can come to your profile, click on these three dots and unlock your profile anytime you prefer. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.